Okay, so this time before we color, let's add some control on our grunge here. So what I will do is on our roughness here with a grunge map. So I'll just, as you can see, the roughness is the shininess or glossiness of the scene, and it's not that muchly um, it's appearing to be flat. So I'll just click this. This is our base material, and then I'll just go down once more to the user defined maps, and I will turn on the roughness. So now there's going to be a roughness slot. Okay, so here I will now go for inverse invert grayscale. So the grayscale that I have, which is here in the ambient occlusion, we will use that. So I will drag this, use I'll invert grayscale. It's not drag it there to connect. So now it is connecting. I will try to invert that, and there is going to be this result. Now it's a bit more sharpened. Then I will go for levels. In these levels, oops, I'll just drag this there and try to increase this black so that it will not be too contrasting, not too sharp. Don't worry, this is not yet plugged in to the material, so this is where we are looking. Now we will try to add some further texture to this also by creating or adding another grunge material, but this is, let's say, 14. So we have those type of patterns on Grunge Map 14. I'll just get a blend node here, and then I'll blend this and blend this. So let's try darken or a multiply mix. Let's try darken, and then I'll try to decrease it a little, just to have that simple effect on it there. So now, to have a general control on this, let me just drag this there. Okay, I will add spacebar histogram range, selecting this. So the histogram range, with this I don't have to adjust the others. I'll just use the histogram range, and let's say adjust the position, and then increase the range, for example. So I can just adjust with position to darken or lighten it. Okay, remember, in roughness, if it is dark it will be shiny, if it is light it's going to be flat or matte. So I'll just push this back a little bit, just organizing the nodes. These are going to be the nodes for the roughness. So now this result I will plug in here. So as you can see, there it is. So it is a bit light, right? I'll go here into my base material. I will set this to black. it will be dark, yes, but now we can control our roughness here in our histogram range just by adjusting the position. This is how it's going to be reflecting or absorbing the light for our scene. See? I'll see you on the next lesson.